Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I would like to share with you how you can convert a tuple to a list. So let's get started. I'll type Python 3. We then create my tuple. Let's say I'll call it my tuple. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes, so I've created my tuple. In order for me to convert this tuple to a list, I can simply say, let me give a name to my list. I will say my list. I can simply use the keyword list, convert my tuple and to a list. So this keyword list will convert my tuple to my list, and let's tap enter. We can check it by typing print type my list. You can see that we have a list here. It's a list. I can also check. Actually, I should have done it before. Check if my tuple is really tuple. Yes, it's a tuple. So this is how we can definitely convert a tuple to a list. It's vice versa. We can also, if we want to convert a list to a tuple, we can use the keyword tuple. We can in front of, we can replace list by the word list, the keyword list by the keyword tuple if we want to convert a list to a tuple. So that's it for today. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share, and comment. Bye.